She's burying her bone. See, watch. What are you doing, Reno? What are you doing? Look what Mama's got. See, watch. She's gonna bury it. Having issues. She's tucking it in so Cabela can't get it. She's got to hurry because she can hear Cabela coming down the stairs. Now knowing her, she'll probably get down and go steal Chances or Aspens. Look at her. She's still trying to cover it up. And she ain't even a year old. I think she's like not even 6 months and she knows what she's doing. Uh-oh. Didn't cover it very good. This is one of the smartest dogs we've ever had. Can you get down, Reno? You need help? Oh, so look, here's Aspens over here. And here comes Cabela. And I guarantee you, Reno will have another bone. Probably within 5 minutes. There's Aspen with hers. Aspen only takes one. She don't like them, but she takes one so she don't feel left out. And then in here's Chances. And she's the only dog we have that isn't afraid of Chance, which is weird because she's so little. So I'm going to let her in here. I'm going to pause this for a minute.